VDU bracket that holds the VDU. You still got the rest of the bolts from the kit. And so you got that 2 shorter black screws. You need washers. And these are pretty simple to put in straightforward here. One there, and another over here.
Again, the hole towards the top, and make sure it's actually angling away.
Yeah, away so it angles downward on the customer.
That way, when this is installed, the screen will actually look down onto the driver. So that just follow the logic.
I'm missing a nut. One nut. One of these black nuts.
There it is.
Oh, there it is. And then it is a 8mm on the bolt side, 10mm on the nut side, unfortunately. You got that?
So remember, when we installed the strut, there's a wire coming out of the top of the strut that we ran here. We actually have a harness, this piece right there, that we plug into here. It runs along the canopy.
It'll be run along the canopy and bolted to here as soon as he's done bolting.
And then plugged into the back of the video display unit once we install it.